Hello all, today in this video I am going to provide a demo video for email phishing. Already we have done with some algorithms, machine learning algorithms like support vector machine, catboost, passive aggression, logistic regression, etc. So here by this we have made a comparison. So also now in this demo we are going to work with random forest and going to make that comparison of the other machine learning algorithms we have made, and going to conclude that which machine learning algorithm is providing better results. For that we have used the email spam detection dataset which we have downloaded from Kaggle. This dataset is having nearly 3 entries, which is the serial number, next is the email text, and next is the email type. Then we are getting the info of the data set by this first, which is the serial number, or the unnamed one is having integer type, and others which is email text and type or object type. Then we are checking whether our data set is having any null values, and it is having null values, that is the email text variable is having some, or column is having some null variables. So we have to omit it. For that we are moving to dropping of null values, and for further this unnamed also is not needed since it's just an serial number. So we are going to drop this also, and also we are going to drop the invalid entries. For that we are using the drop and drop now variable in the function, and also the drop duplicates function. Then by this again we are checking whether our data set is having any missing values. So now if you check means this unnamed is also deleted, and the data set is also not having a missing values. Then we are moving to the getting the shape of the data set. By this we have got the shape of the data set. Then we are making a plot by using the email type, which to check which classes is having more count. When while making a plot, we come to know that the safe email is having more count when compared to this phishing email. Then we are making use of this train test split function. For that we are making two variables like x variable and y variable. Within the x variable the email text is used, and within the y variable the email type column is used. Then by using this x variable and y variable, and the test size is 0.2, that is 20% for testing and remaining 80% for training. And by the use of the train test split function, we are determining variables like x train, x test, y train, and y test. And then this variable is of a text type. We have to convert it into integers. For that we are making use of the tfidf vectorizer. By using this we are using this tfidf vectorizer within a variable. This variable we are using to convert the x train and x test value. This x train and x test value only we will be using in the models training and evaluation. First, we have worked with the logistic regression, and we have got determined the predictions within an array. Then we have got the confusion matrix and also the classification report, by which we have got the values for precision, recall, F1 score, support, accuracy, macro average, and weighted average. And within this logistic regression, we have got 97% accuracy. Then we worked with the support vector mission and displayed the predictions, confusion matrix, and also the classification report, and also got an accuracy of 98%. Then we worked with the catboost classifier, which works with the different learning rate, and we have displayed the confusion matrix and classification report and have got an accuracy of 97%. Then we worked with the passive aggressive classifier, and we have displayed the predictions and confusion matrix, and also displayed the classification report and have got an accuracy of 96%. Within this work we have worked with the random forest. For that first we are importing the library which is needed for random forest. Then we are calling that random forest function within an variable. This variable we are using within the fit function and predict function. Fit function is used for training and predict function is used for testing. Within the fit function, since it's for training, the training variables are used, and within the predict function, since it is for testing, the testing variables are used, and we have got an prediction type. So you may notice it is displayed within an array, and then we are checking the confusion matrix. Previously, if we remember, means our data set is having more than 16,000 entries, but within the confusion matrix, if you notice, means we have some less columns only. This is because we have worked with only 20% of the test data within test variable, and this confusion matrix and classification report is plotted with the test variable only. So only we are getting this less number of variables. Then we have displayed the classification report also. With that we have got an accuracy of 97%. Then we have made an comparison. Within the comparison we have made two display bar chart. So whatever models which we have displayed so far are logistic regression, support vector mission, catboost classifier, passive aggressive classifier, and random forest. By this we have got different accuracies, and among that SVM is only showing the better accuracy. Then comes three models, which is logistic regression, catboost classifier, and the random forest, which we have implemented now. The less model is the passive aggressive classifier. Then we have made an SNS bar plot, and within this we have plotted every more accuracies which we have got. So this is the classification or the comparison graph of different ML algorithms we have made so far. So in the next video we will be working with another machine learning algorithm, which is naive based, and will make an comparison among this also. Thank you.